Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stabilized clips from ReelSteady to editor step by step clearly. Open ReelSteady and load the project containing the stabilized clips. Select the desired clip you wish to export. Click on the export button, typically located in the top right corner of the interface. Choose the desired export settings based on your needs. Ensure you select the video format compatible with your editing software. Set the resolution and frame rate according to your project requirements. Confirm the export location on your computer for easy access. Click on the export button to begin the rendering process. Once the rendering is complete, navigate to the export location on your computer. Open your video editing software. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to import the stabilized clips. Locate the Import or Media menu in your editing software. Select the stabilized clips you exported from ReelSteady. Click on Open or Import to bring the clips into your editing software. Wait for the clips to load into the media library. Drag and drop the imported clips into the timeline for editing. Check the clips for proper stabilization and quality within the editor. Make any necessary adjustments to your project as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.